The 2021 Western Australian state election was conducted on Saturday 13 March 2021 to elect members to the Parliament of Western Australia, where all 59 seats in the Legislative Assembly and all 36 seats in the Legislative Council were up for election. The incumbent Labor government, led by Premier Mark McGowan, won a second consecutive four-year term in office. Their primary challengers were the opposition Liberal Party, led by opposition leader Zac Kirkup, and the National Party, led by Mia Davies. Several minor parties also contested the election in the Assembly and Council. ABC News psephologist Anthony Green called the election for the Labor Party 42 minutes after the polls closed with 0.7% of the vote counted. Candidates were elected to single-member seats in the Legislative Assembly via full preferential instant runoff voting. In the Legislative Council, 6 candidates were elected in each of the 6 electoral regions through the single transferable vote system with group voting tickets. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.